JS Sports Reviews Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're shopping for athletic footwear or streetwear, most people get this wrong by assuming JS Sports is always the cheapest option. The surprising truth is that JS Sports focuses on brand variety, exclusives and quality, which can affect pricing, but also deliver unique value. Prices typically range from for basic sneakers to over for limited edition releases or premium brands like Nike, Adidas and Jordan. JS Sports also frequently offers promotions and seasonal discounts, which can make higher-end products more affordable if you plan strategically. What you get: access to top sports brands, exclusive releases, a wide range of sizes and styles, and a mix of online and in-store shopping convenience. What you give up: lowest possible prices compared to discount stores, occasional stock shortages, and the need to monitor sales for the best deals. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Sign up for the JS Sports newsletter to get early notifications on discounts and new releases. Step 2. Use the size filter to quickly find what fits. Step 3. Check multiple styles to compare value versus price. Step 4. Take advantage of seasonal sales like Black Friday or end-of-season events to grab premium items at lower prices. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore exclusive releases. Popular models sell out fast, and prices can spike on resale markets. The surprising truth is that JS Sports pricing is reflective of both brand reputation and rarity, not just cost alone. In conclusion, JS Sports provides a mix of value, style, and exclusivity, making it more than just a typical sports retailer. By understanding pricing, promotions, and stock availability, you can get the most out of your money while securing shoes and apparel that match your style and needs.